signs and how they affect the result of your calculations. These are fundamentals and very, very important in the calculation of any equation or any given uh, question. For example, we all know we have an addition sign, plus sign, we have the minus sign, we have the division, we have the multiplication sign. These signs have various effects. For example, we have when we have a negative sign crossing an equal to sign. A negative sign crosses an equal to sign, definitely it must change to a positive sign. When a positive sign crosses an equal to sign, it will definitely change to a negative sign. Likewise, when a positive sign crosses here, it changes to negative. When a positive crosses to this side, it changes to negative. Now, when you're solving an equation and you have a multiplication sign, for example, okay, let's say we have 2/4, 5/3, and you cross multiply this sign. Now, this is a division sign. If you want to cross to this place, it must change to multiplication. Any sign that is crossing, this is a division sign. Now, this division sign is crossing an equal to sign. When the division sign crosses an equal to sign, it changes to multiplication. This result will become, if this comes here, it becomes 3 times 2. While this one will give you 4x times 5x. Division sign crosses, it changes to multiplication sign. When the multiplication sign crosses, it changes to a division sign. These are signs that needs to be known. Now, in inequality, we have greater than we have less than sign, greater than sign, less than equal to, greater than equal to. All of these signs, greater than sign, will be affected. Now, greater than sign only appears in inequalities. Now, when you have a less than sign, for example, you have -2 less than 0. Now, when -2 wants to cross to this place, it changes to 2. It changes to greater than, this will be very big, we will get there. It changes to greater than 2. The negative sign crosses this sign to change to positive, and it must change the inequality sign. We'll get to inequality in a bit, but I just want us to understand these signs. These signs are one of the things that enables us to get correctly the questions we are solving. If we are given an equation, let's say 4x plus 3 equal to 3x plus 8. This is a simple equation. Now, like I said before, let me emphasize on this. If I have 3, 5, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1, each and every one of this number is said to be a positive number. Every one of these numbers are standing on their own. They are all positive numbers. They are all said to be positive numbers. Now, for example, if I have 8 minus 4, 3, 9, 4, 2. Now, these negative signs here, like I said, all the numbers, any number that stands on its own is a positive number. Any number that stands on its own is a positive number. Now, when you look at 8 is standing on its own, is a positive number. Now, if you look at 4, there is a negative sign at the back of 4. Now, it means 4 is now minus 4, not 4. 4 is now minus 4. Now, if you look at this, there is no sign here. It means 3 is a what? A positive number standing on its own. If you look at this, there is a negative sign. It means it belongs to 6, which is minus 6. 9 is said to be a positive number because there is no sign attached to it. So 4 is said to be minus 4 because there is a negative sign at the back. While 2 is said to be a what? A positive number. So if you look at this equation, you say it is said to be 4x plus 3 equal to 3x plus 8. Now, if you are to collect like terms, it will be 4x. Now, this is 3x. When 3x crosses to this place, because it is standing on its own, which is a positive number, it will change to what? It is crossing a sign, an equal to sign. It will change to minus 3x equal to, we have a positive number here, which is plus 8. We retain 8. Any number that stands on its own is a positive number. We do not need to include the plus there, except when it is a negative number we show. Now, we have plus 3 here. Now, when we have a positive sign, a number here, if it crosses an equal to sign, it changes to minus. So, plus 3 is crossing this sign, it will change to minus 3. So, here we have 4x minus 3 will give us what? 4 minus 3 is what? 4 minus 3 is 1. That's 1x, but we don't put 1. It is said to be x. X will be equal to 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So, here we can say x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Now, can we prove that x is equal to 5? Let's see if x is actually equal to 5. Now, we have 4. What is x? X is 5 here. We have plus 3 equal to, we have 3 here. X is equal to 5. We have plus 8. 4 times 5 will give us what? 20 plus 3 equal to, 3 times 5 is what? 15 plus 8. 20 plus 3 is 23. 15 plus this is what? That will give us 23. Abi? So it is correct when x is equal to 3 for both sides because we got 23 here, 23 here. This is dialogue. Every pause.
You're great, use that one.